Hi, this is a how-to video for signNow, the best e-signature solution out there. Before we get started, don't forget to like this video and hit subscribe to stay tuned. It's easy to set a signing order with signNow. First, select each recipient and then simply add all the fields needed, like signature, text, and date. Next, you can easily change the name of the group. And then just slide up and down to set the order. Click Customize Message to update the invite email message. And then if you prefer, click Apply this invite email to all recipients. When you're ready, click Send Invite. You can keep watching or skip all of my hard work and try signNow for free. Just click the link in the description now. Oh, you're still here. Let's talk more about signNow. It's easy to approve and send documents for signature and monitor your documents' progress in real time. Plus, add e-signature workflows to your custom apps or website and easily integrate them with your current services. That's all I have to say. Now it's your turn. Please share your thoughts in the comments or click the link in the description and hurry up to get your free 7-day trial, which you can cancel anytime.